Betty from Liberty Hill, Texas has a granite repair question.
Isn't that the best name of a town? Where are you from? Liberty Hill.
Live free or die.
It sounds like something from an old Western or something,
Yeah, that's good. I like it.
We rode into Liberty Hill. Anyway, that's where her 8-foot bathroom counter lives, though. Oh. And Betty writes to us, Dear Tom. And you're not going to wave?
Oh,
okay, there you go.
Yeah, Dear Tom.
It has this sink molded into it, she says.
Ouch.
And as you can see, large cracks have developed, moving up from the drain and out to the sides of the sink. So, Tom, Betty wants to know, can this be repaired or fixed without having to replace the entire counter?
The sink, these cracks and stuff cannot. But if you wanted to cut a hole in the granite and drop in a new sink or do an undermount sink, you could. But that sink is toast. You know what that's from? Those are called thermal shock cracks. When you go hot water, cold water, that kind of thing, it just shocks it and it starts to crack it. That's not a granite sink. That's some
cultured marble.
Yeah, there's no way granite would do that.
No.
But the top might be granite, but you can cut granite. Someone can come in and cut a oval hole or a square hole, however kind of sink you get, and you can undermount it or you can drop one in.
Yeah. So there's your answer. You can fix it.
Yes.
See, you get answers. That's what Betty wrote us. She got an answer. You can do the same thing. Send us your question at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it. Check out our videos over here and subscribe to our channel.